Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Integral Ultima Pro 1.5TB micro SD card. A compact storage powerhouse that's making waves in the tech world. Imagine fitting 1.5 terabytes of storage into a micro SD card the size of your thumbnail. That's exactly what the Integral Ultima Pro offers, catering perfectly to gamers, photographers, and anyone needing massive storage on the go. The Integral Ultima Pro is built for versatility. It adheres to the micro SD standard, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. From smartphones and tablets to drones and action cameras. Its plastic construction keeps it lightweight and durable, with a standard SD card adapter included for broader device compatibility. In performance, the Integral Ultima Pro impresses with read speeds reaching up to 100 MB/s and write speeds exceeding 50 MB/s in our tests. This makes it ideal for recording and playback of 4K videos on devices like the GoPro Hero 12 Black and DJI drones, where smooth operation is crucial. Benchmark tests consistently showed read speeds hovering around 90 MB/s and write speeds around 85 MB/s. Proving its reliability in handling large files effortlessly. Whether you're capturing high-definition videos or managing extensive media libraries, this card performs admirably. It's worth noting that while the card is universally compatible with modern devices, some older models may not fully recognize its capacity, so compatibility checks are advised. Nevertheless, for most current devices, it slots in seamlessly, delivering ample storage without compromise. In conclusion, the Integral Ultima Pro 1.5TB micro SD card stands out for its exceptional capacity, solid performance, and broad compatibility. Whether you're a gamer needing vast storage for game saves, an action camera enthusiast shooting in 4K, or a photographer managing extensive photo libraries, this card offers a compelling solution. If you're in the market for a high-capacity micro SD card that doesn't sacrifice performance, the Integral Ultima Pro 1.5TB is definitely worth considering. It's a testament to how far storage technology has come, packing unbelievable storage into a compact form factor. That wraps up our review of the Integral Ultima Pro 1.5TB micro SD card. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique.